Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be swatching the First Street Dynamic Reflect collection, and this set has 8 bottles. Please feel free to check out the video where I unbox the set. Also today I got a new swatch display and I wanted to swatch the First Street Dynamic Reflect collection. So this is the box it comes out of. And it comes with 8 colors, and I have my top coat and my base coat here. And this is the display it will be going on. So let's unbox this. I got this C8 nail color book from Amazon. And it comes, I guess, with some nail tips that you color on. And then it has a display book. So this is what it looks like. Book. It comes with this. Okay, I guess this is a little bit hard to take out, but so I'll be using some of these nail tips today. I'll use my nail magnetic holder to keep it in place. So this is the setup. So First Street is a Korean nail brand, and this is the bottle. It is quite shiny and nice. I do like the bottle design. We'll start with this coat. So we'll start with the base coat. We're gonna put base coat on all the colors quickly. So here we go. Gonna start off with the silver color. This is number 123. So shiny glitter. So this is the first layer. This is 124. And this is 125. Color 126. color 127. So this is the colors after the first layer of the first 5. Now I'm going to do a second layer. Now this is what it looks like after the second layer. Now quickly put a top coat. Use it from the nail top coat. So here we go, this is done. Now we have 3 more colors to do. Alright, now this is color 128. Color 129. Color 130. So this is what it looks like after the first coat. looks like after the second coat. Quick top coat. Now it's time to build the display. Finished. Put some double-sided tape. I hope you enjoyed this video. I did use this polish set several times. It is very shiny and long lasting. I do recommend this set if you are looking into just having a simple glittery set. I hope you enjoyed this swatching video, and I will see you next time.